Hey guys, this is Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Thanks for joining us. Today in the shop, I'm going to teach you how to color fill your laser engravings. This is a solid cherry plaque that I engraved and color filled for a local fishing group. So thanks for joining me. Please stick around and please like and subscribe. When I'm doing a color fill, I like to engrave about a 1/16 of an inch deep. The power to do that will differ based on the laser you have. I use this powder coating powder from Amazon and I spread it out liberally. I use an old plastic spreading spatula. You can use an old credit card, or I think playing cards are not rigid enough. And I'm basically I'm putting the powder over all of the engraved surface and letting it fill the indentation in the wood from the engraving. And I'll usually go over it once or twice using light pressure. I might even go from different angles. And when I'm doing this, when I work with any kind of powder, I like to wear a respirator or a mask, so be sure to follow safety precautions. I also wear eye protection. For any extra powder, I just scrape it off onto the next piece or onto a piece of paper that is my catch-all, and I'll use that to put the powder back in the container. Next, we use a heat gun at a low setting. You don't want to blow all the powder away. So once it gets hot enough, I let the heat gun run for about 30 seconds on low, and you'll see the color fill start becoming shiny. That's when you know it was hot enough. It melts it. I tried masking and even clear coating the engraving first before using the powder coat. But from all the methods I tried, this works just as well. You want to sand it after you've used the heat gun. I let it dry anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes and then sand it to where you don't see any more blue in the non-engraved areas. If you guys found this helpful, please comment below helpful. I appreciate you liking and subscribing, and thanks for watching. Be sure to check my description. I'll have a link for what I purchased on Amazon in case you want to try this yourself.